Adventure.
Which is no longer in Disney World.
Yeah, and it was pretty scary. Actually, I got really scared by the queen. It turned into a witch. She was pretty scary. But now we're going to do Pinocchio's Daring Journey.
Are you up for the dare?
I think so.
Do it.
Pinocchio's, and it was good. It was, you know, it was just a little ride. It showed Pinocchio's story. I like when you wish upon a star, your dreams, oh, come true. Oh, David, someone's in your backpack.
Oh.
Stitch. Yeah, he's sticking his head out. He's so cute. And over there, we actually see Fairy Godmother. She's right over there. And then this over here is actually the Red Rose Tavern, and that's where you get the gray stuff. And I think we're gonna go inside and look at some of the Beauty and the Beast stuff. Hey, look at this. This is cool. That's awesome.
I've seen a lot of these lately.
It's $155. And they have the Beauty and the Beast one. Like this, the Enchanted Rose. Look at that. I love that. That's awesome. It's $180 so. Oh, I like this bag. This is $70. It's a little tote bag. Oh, look at this. You can get a Beauty and the Beast coin. That's cool. Souvenir. They did a good job transforming this place.
So I just got Gaston's famous brew. Big fan of Gaston. Let's try it.
You have it all over here. You have it on your nose.
Tastes great.
You have it on your nose. Yeah.
Thanks for rubbing it in.
How is it?
It's good.
Tastes like apple cider, right? Yeah. I hope you enjoy your brew. just left Red Rose Tavern. It was really cool to see that, right? I was so happy because I'm wearing my bell dress and everything, and I'm in Red Rose Tavern, and it's like so awesome, right?
I'm wearing my Gaston outfit.
Not
Got
really.
my muscles on.
You have stitch on. You have
my muscles
oh,
on.
oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Got it.
I ate like 2 eggs today. Actually, I didn't have any eggs today.
Yeah, you had more eggs yesterday.
Yeah, I had like 5 dozen eggs yesterday. So
Yeah. But this is Fantasyland. Got the carousel over there. We'll be doing that for sure. And then Pinocchio's Daring Journeys over here. And then over here next to it is Snow White's Scary Adventures. And on the other side is Peter Pan's Flight, which has a huge line. But it's actually not terrible. It's 40 minutes. And then there is Sleeping Beauty's castle. We're gonna go inside Sleeping Beauty's castle right now and see what's in there.
I'm pretty tired walking around this park too.
Why are they all sleeping?
They probably walk along this park off.
Aw, she's still sleeping.
Or maybe they sleep when the park is open. That's why they get the park for themselves.
Oh, but look, with True Love's kiss, she was able to come out of her sleep.
Yoo-hoo.
There's something in there? Oh, there. There's a pig in there. Oh, gosh. It's a little freaky.
Whoa.
Oh.
Wake up. I think everybody's sleeping in here.
Yeah, they're all tired. There's Maleficent.
She looks like she's up to no good.
Yeah. Definitely wouldn't want to come across Maleficent. It's a bit scary. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of spinning wheels. Whoa. That's crazy. And now, the prince is going to defeat Maleficent.
Be careful.
Whoa.
Watch out.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
But now, here's True Love's kiss. And they lived happily ever after. Here's the True Love's kiss. I think we should get out of here.
Why is she laughing now?
I don't know. Hey, look, make it blue, make it pink. Make it blue, make it pink, make it blue, make it pink. Make it blue. That's funny. I like that. Make it pink. That was cool. I like that. That was fun. Wasn't that fun, David?
It's a close call.
Yeah. I like how they should do that for Cinderella. They should have like a whole thing, a story
They should,
inside. I like that.
I feel like they have enough room in there.
Yeah, they should do something like that. So you can go inside the castle. It's cool.